LEQ Audio welcomes you to this audio lesson. In this session, we will learn about input devices, their meaning, purpose, and different types in detail. Input devices are an essential part of a computer system because they allow users to interact with the computer and provide data and instructions. Understanding input devices is very important for students of computer science and information technology as they form the first step in the data processing cycle. Let us begin by understanding what an input device is. What is an input device? An input device is a hardware component that is used to enter data, instructions, or signals into a computer system. Input devices convert user actions such as typing, clicking, speaking, or touching into a form that the computer can understand and process. Without input devices, a computer would not be able to receive any commands or data from the user, making it practically useless. Common examples of input devices include the keyboard, mouse, scanner, microphone, and touchscreen. Classification of input devices. Input devices can be broadly classified into the following categories: text input devices, pointing input devices, audio input devices, image and video input devices, specialized and biometric input devices. Now let us discuss each input device in detail. Keyboard. The keyboard is the most commonly used input device. It is primarily used to enter text, numbers, and commands into a computer. A standard keyboard contains keys arranged in a specific layout. Each key represents a letter, number, symbol, or function. Types of keys on a keyboard. Alphabet keys are used to type letters from A to Z. Numeric keys are used to enter numbers and mathematical symbols. Function keys, usually labeled from F1 to F12, perform special operations depending on the software being used. Control keys such as Control, Alt, Shift, and Escape are used along with other keys to execute commands. Navigation keys like arrow keys, Home, End, Page Up, and Page Down help move the cursor on the screen. Types of keyboards. The QWERTY keyboard is the most widely used keyboard layout in the world. Wireless keyboard works without physical cables and connects using Bluetooth or radio frequency. The mechanical keyboard uses physical switches under each key and is popular among programmers and gamers due to better feedback and durability. The virtual keyboard appears on the screen and is commonly used in smartphones, tablets, and touchscreen devices. The ergonomic keyboard is designed to reduce strain on hands and wrists during long hours of typing. Mouse. A mouse is a pointing input device used to control the movement of the cursor on the screen. It allows users to select, open, drag, and move objects easily. Types of mouse. The mechanical mouse uses a rolling ball to detect movement. The optical mouse uses light sensors instead of a ball and provides more accuracy. The wireless mouse operates without cables and offers better flexibility. The trackball mouse has a fixed base with a movable ball that controls cursor movement. Touchpad and trackpad. A touchpad is a flat, touch-sensitive surface commonly found on laptops. Users move their fingers across the surface to control the cursor. Touchpads also support gestures such as scrolling, zooming, and rotating. Touchscreen. A touchscreen acts as both an input and output device. Users interact directly with the screen by touching icons, buttons, or menus. Touchscreens are widely used in smartphones, tablets, ATMs, kiosks, and modern laptops. Types of touchscreens. Resistive touchscreens respond to pressure. Capacitive touchscreens respond to electrical signals from the human finger and are more responsive. Scanner. A scanner is an input device used to convert physical documents, images, or text into digital form. Scanned data can be stored, edited, or shared electronically. Types of scanners. Flatbed scanners are commonly used in offices and homes. Handheld scanners are portable and used for quick scanning. Barcode scanners read barcodes printed on products. Optical character recognition or OCR scanners convert printed text into editable digital text. Microphone. A microphone is an audio input device used to capture sound and voice. It converts sound waves into electrical signals that the computer can process. Microphones are used for voice recording, video conferencing, speech recognition, and online communication. Webcam and digital camera. A webcam is a video input device used to capture live images and videos. It is commonly used for video calls, online classes, and security systems. Digital cameras are used to capture high-quality images and videos, which can later be transferred to a computer. Joystick and game controllers. A joystick is a specialized input device mainly used for gaming and simulation applications. It allows users to control movement and actions in games, flight simulators, and training systems. Game controllers include buttons, triggers, and motion sensors for interactive input. Light pen. A light pen is a pointing input device used to select or draw directly on the screen. It is mainly used in graphic design and engineering applications. Biometric input devices. Biometric input devices use human physical characteristics for identification. Examples include fingerprint scanners, face recognition systems, and iris scanners. These devices are widely used in security systems, mobile phones, and access control systems. Conclusion. Input devices play a vital role in the functioning of a computer system. They allow users to communicate with the computer by providing data and instructions. From traditional devices like keyboards and mice to modern biometric and touchscreen technologies, input devices continue to evolve with advancements in technology. A clear understanding of input devices helps students build a strong foundation for learning advanced computing concepts. To listen to audiobooks like this, download the LEQ Audio app today from the Play Store and log in at www.leqaudio.com. Thank you for listening to LEQ Audio.